How to download MetaTrader 4 in your iPhone devices. Are you guys facing issues to download MetaTrader 4 on your iPhone device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. First of all, open App Store on your iPhone device. Once you open the app, now look at the right bottom of your screen. Tap on source icon. Once you click on it, now tap on search bar and search for MetaTrader 4. Now tap on the first option where you can see the icon for MetaTrader 4. Now tap on download icon. Once you tap on it, your app will start to download. And as you guys can see, our app has been downloaded on our iPhone device. And that's how we're gonna download MetaTrader 4 on your iPhone device. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.